like a night in Memphis. Ask Jesus Christ, it's a blessing. The way you move on my, I'm hell-bent on whether I'm not bold enough. Is my heart cold enough? Wondering if I could trust you. Yeah, body right, tempted. Pretty like a night.
He's been delivering smooth reggae vibes all morning long. Rising Jamaican star J-Com is here with a new single, and it's a part of an album.
Yeah.
His sophomore album.
Yeah.
All right, dude. High fives to you. Now, listen,
it.
guys, I don't know how many of you remember this now, but we actually had you here on Smile years ago.
Yeah.
Teeny tiny. How old were you then? About
I was like, what, 18?
18.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you performed with a track at that time, and look at you know a whole band and bare things. Morning, gentlemen. Yeah. So this album, though, sophomore album, you're working with some of the biggest names in the business. Tony C.D. Kelly. What is that like for you as a young star?
Surreal. A dream come true. Really. Never really thought I would even like be in the same room as Wayne Wonder, Kimani, Tony. Never thought about it. Thought about it.
Yeah. This album, though, I mean, how much work did you put into it?
A lot. We were very specific with the production of it, and like it took us a while. Me and Tony, because we were just perfectionists in our big heads. So it took us a while.
When you say a while, like how long? Couple months, a year and a half?
Like basically like 9 months to a year. Yeah. To fully complete it. Yeah. Okay, all right. Well, it sounds like a whole heap of work went into it. You mentioned some names. Are any of these names on the actual album itself? Yes. Yeah? Wayne, we did a song called Downtown for just basically for the you know where we come from, you know, downtown, you know, Jamaica, that vibe. Kimani Marley did a song with him called The Weekend, and it's just basically just like, you know, vibes.
Yeah.
You know, on the weekend, you know. Leaving 9 to 5 and you want to relax and party.
Yeah.
We did a song with Kalia. That's one of Tony's like upcoming artists. Well, she's known. We did a song, well, the main song, which is Emotions with Nige Boy, which was just a...
Tell us about that track though, Emotions. You performed it earlier on as well. Working with Nige, what's that like? Because he's a good vocalist as well as you are an amazing one.
Yeah. It was like meeting a brother from another mother.
Yeah.
Same, like
the synergy worked.
Yeah. We just clicked, you know. We're like twins.
Yeah.
In a sense. But yeah, it was amazing. It just automatically happened. So
this album though, I'm more on the R&B side, because you know you have that very distinct R&B sound. I'm sure you have been compared to a couple of names already, right? Like Michael Jackson or Chris Brown, I'm sure. The album sounds like what? More Jamaican?
It's reggae. It's reggae. People have me, a lot of people have me as like an R&B act in Jamaica. So it's a mixture, I would say, of both worlds, you know.
Not only that, I mean, I don't see a Willie bouncing. You're doing a whole heap of different R&B moves. So.
Yeah, little James Brown and little, you know.
Those are your influences in the music, right?
Yeah. Well, Michael Jackson and, you know, everyone who inspired him, you know, inspires him, and all that leads down to me and Chris Brown and, you know, those people. Yeah.
All right. Well, listen, this has been amazing. You sound amazing. Where do you want to see yourself in the next couple of years? Because we saw you when you were opening up. You're here now again with your sophomore album. I want to be sure that we have this interview when you get to the Grammy stage. So where do you want to get to?
The world, just everywhere. Africa, Europe, you know, America. Yeah, just the world. There's not even a specific place, just worldwide.
But we see it happening for you for sure, sir. Before we wrap up, I mean, mention the members of your band real quick, please. And could us hail them up?
Yeah, man, so.
You can shout out their name? Ryan. Lead guitarist, drums, yeah. David. Joe keys. Josiah. Oh, yeah, my son's name. Oh, that's so nice. Well, listen, all the best to you, man. I hope this album takes you places that you want to get to, all right? Thank you so much for being here. We're going to go to a break, guys. When we come back, we'll hear more from J-Com, and then we will wrap up the show. All right? Stay with us.